second, northern Missouri versus southern Missouri politics.
Okay.
You are endorsing Romney.
Yes, I am.
And down where I'm from, in southern Missouri, it seems like we're heavy on Huckabee, which has many of the same issues as you: states' rights, immigration, a lot of things that you've been pushing lately. So my question is, why not Huckabee?
Yeah, I think if you look at the good thing about having two governors running for president is you can look at their records. And I think Governor Romney has been true to conservative principles on issues like immigration and on fiscal discipline, holding the line on taxes. I'm opposed to raising taxes. I know Governor Romney's opposed to raising taxes. In fact, he wants to cut taxes, particularly for middle class and lower middle class investment, to help them invest and secure their own financial future. I think there is a difference, and it's appropriate to compare the records that were generated by the two men as governor. And I think there are substantial differences on the issues of spending, taxes, and immigration, issues that are important to me and I know are important to lots of other Missourians.
The next question is, we were talking about biofuels, and you've done a lot for ethanol, but Missouri, the Missouri farmers seem to be producing more soybean crops. Why aren't we pushing biodiesel throughout the other states and adding to the Missouri economy in that way?
Yeah, and, plant-based renewable fuels of all type hold tremendous potential. And I was able to fulfill a key pledge I made to Missourians when I was a candidate for governor. We created a renewable fuel standard that went into effect, of course, just on January 1st, requiring that 10% of our gasoline be ethanol. So all of our gasoline is now blended to at least a 10% ethanol blend. That's an important part of our state's future. Biodiesel is a very exciting fuel as well. Both fuels lead to environmental improvements. So we have been able to take some steps to encourage the production of more biodiesel. I'm the first governor ever to fully fund the ethanol incentive fund and the first governor to ever fully fund the biodiesel incentive fund. So we're helping to spur that production, and I'm interested in any way that helps us to spur the consumption of biodiesel as well.
We have time for one more question.